The seagulls will shit on your car, really wrap the paint, maybe take it off, maybe take a piece off the wall. Yo, clear coat that goes over your paint when it's new. Best fresh job, painting too, from the dealer to you. Yes, Mr. Bird, sing with me. There we are, we got the birds. Got a bird for everyone. You guys were probably thinking I was gonna give the world a finger, middle finger sticking up. But I'm talking about the birds that sing, chirp along through their day. Look for seeds, look for that, look for worms, give it back. Birds will sing for us. If this is rainbows and it's tough to be like the stuff. Gold at the end of the rainbow. Birds singing even like the sparrow. Naturalists watch the birds, count the birds, make sure they're not getting extinct. In the building of the cities all over the place, build them up, take down trees. Holy shit, birds are free. Sing with me, Mr. Blue Jay. I think you fly south because it snows in this life, in this universe that we see. Is it my universe or is it yours? If it's mine, I hold the door open for everyone to get inside, enjoy the fun. Sing with me, Mr. Robin. Sing with me, Mr. Crow. Sheryl Crow is a very famous singer, she is. She's got lungs of steel. Breaking the mics, that's a deal. This song so peaceful it is. Granny's a Sioux naturalist. Trying to save the world, save the animals under the girl, grow, come and flow, grow some plants, grow some flowers, water them in midnight showers, in the spring. I hope this April Fool's is good to my nephew Sawyer. I think that kid likes birds too. And his big sister is born on 25th December. That's the kicking woe. My kids know my sister's kids, they're the best. Them two got the rest. They got screwed on the birthdays of the holidays that are in place for the world that we see. But we gotta change world we see. Sing like a bird, sing like a bird, bird sing. Peace to everyone. I'm trying to get this out for the people to be free. Free with their tongue, free with their bees, free with the birds in the trees. Give them some feed them up, fatten them up. Why not do a cup of bird feed every day? In the bird bath that they say, play in the bird bath too. Play in the bird bath, me to you. This song is 8 minutes long, longer than Verso Woe, longer than the last 2 albums. Never made them that long. This is the first one in about 20 songs, 20 live, 20 come. Bird sing night, sing with me. I got the bow, I got the finger bird that goes. I got the bird for you all. Sing the birds, robins don't sing. They ring the mouth, ring the warm to their kitties in their nest. Then they can eat, get big, fly out of the nest, become low, flying birds, gently they go. So naturalists, we gotta look out for the animals in this world we got. They got families too. Peace.